Today I'm going to be making ketchup. So store-bought ketchup is one of those condiments that has a ton of added sugar. So I just wanted to try to make a homemade recipe that had less sugar. This recipe here has about half the sugar of store-bought ketchup. No artificial dyes, no artificial ingredients. Super easy to make. Today I'm making both regular ketchup and spicy ketchup. This recipe makes a total of 6.5 pints and will last for about 18 months. All right, we're gonna start here with 11 cans of tomato paste. I've already emptied them into a large pot. And then we're gonna add 3 cups of water. 2 cups of distilled white vinegar. Then we're going to do 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of salt, and then 2 cups of water. Or, 2 cups of sugar. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of just regular white sugar. Okay. Now we're gonna stir it all together and turn our stove on to medium heat. Alright, it has been about 15 minutes or so cooking this on medium-low, stirring it pretty frequently. It looks like it's pretty much melted together now. So I think it's about good to go ahead and put in our jars. Alright, now all of these jars have been sterilized, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them up. Now I'm only gonna fill up half of them because I wanna make some spicy ketchup as well, so we'll just do half for now. Alright, now I am gonna go back on the stove and put this back on medium-low heat. And I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Ooh, splashed me in the face. Okay, so just go ahead and stir that up. I won't cook this too much longer, maybe another couple of minutes just to get the flavor mixed in. Okay, now just wipe all the rims, clean off any ketchup. Okay, now we're gonna just put on our canning lids. I'm gonna do mine separate, the spicy ketchup first, and then I'll do the regular ketchup, obviously, so I can keep them separated. And we'll go ahead and put the lids on. And I was able to actually get an extra half pint as well, so it makes 6 pints and a half pint, 6.5 pints. So go ahead and just put your lids on. Oops. Hold on. Put your lids on nice and tight. This one's not on tight. And we're gonna can these for 15 minutes. Make sure the water is covering the tops of the cans. This on and set the timer for 15 minutes.